good evening to everyone that's locking this way. Big up to Chaddy and Monroe. This is the upNlive beat. You know him response for the beat, yeah. He's the engineer, the architect for this beat. So big up to Chaddy and Monroe. Why am I saying Chaddy?
Chaddy and Monroe, right?
Yes.
That's his name, big man. You don't know.
Of course.
Big up yourself, brother. You don't know rhythm body. You don't know if you feel our beat.
Yeah.
So I'll give thanks for it, right?
Of course. And he is responsible for making this beat. And it's approximately, let me count it down, 3, 2, 1. Yes, we can say it now. It's 10 o'clock.
10
now,
o'clock,
people.
You know the thing go me Jenna.
Of course. And you know when it's 10 o'clock on upNlive show, you know what happens there and then each and every Tuesday night. We bring to you one of our special guests going to be here with us this evening. He has a very interesting name. A name I struggled to pronounce over the last couple of days. And fortunately for us, he's here with us this evening. And he's going to explain to us this name. Good evening, sir. How you doing? Welcome to the upNlive show.
You hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear. Up,
yeah.
Clear.
The name's YTSking.
YTSking.
A lot of people have problems with that name still, cause it's all in one. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really, but yeah, it's YTSking though.
So why do you put some abbreviation between it so separate the letters? Because me seeing it first, I'm just gonna try to read it. Is it right?
Yeah, man, but
and if you try to read it, it's a why stink. I don't know. Like that's why they read, my brother.
No why stinking around here.
No, why? But how you doing though? How you?
I'm good, bro. I'm good. You know, just working.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? The work rate went up, so we're just piecing everything together and making sure everything's done. You get me?
Which is right. And I must commend you on your punctuality.
Yeah.
You actually came just perfectly in time today.
yeah.
Not like most artists. No offense, no throwing any puns to anyone, but he was on time, spot on time.
You're trying to catch some trouble.
Nah. But I've been watching your music for the last couple of weeks, and I've realized there's obviously different sides. There's growth.
Yeah, man.
Most of all, there's growth. Because I've watched your first couple of your first projects comparing to the one that you're promoting now.
Yeah,
it's quite a different contrast.
It's different, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's totally different. Yeah. No, basically it was just literally we took a year's break off the face of the scene, you get me? So I could develop on my sound as an artist.
Yeah.
Like it wasn't nothing to do with promotion we didn't have no problems. It was just me saying to my management and my team, I need to take that break so we can go studio. Be in studio and just work, you know what I'm saying?
And not get distracted by...
Yeah, no distractions, no hype, no nothing like that, you get me?
Definitely.
Just letting people know that man's here, you get me?
Tell us a little bit about yourself. Obviously, YTSking is the name. Tell us a little bit about your upgrowing. Were you born in this country?
Yeah, I was born in this country. I was born in Walthamstow.
Okay.
Yeah, I was born in Walthamstow. I raised in Walthamstow. To be honest, it's just YTSking. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's not much to it. There's no big sub story. It's just me doing my music thing. You know what I'm saying? My dad's my manager. He believed in me since I was young. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And he's a DJ as well.
Yeah.
So it's like I've always been around music. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you know about caution buzzing, but that's my older cousin as well. So music's always been around me in my little camp and whatever you wanna call it. So. You know what I'm saying? It's just something normal. Like, I don't really see it no other way. You know what I'm saying?
That makes sense.
Apart from music.
For someone who doesn't know anything about you and know anything about your music, what do you want them to take from your music? What are you mostly passionate about your music?
All I gotta say about my music is it's a new wave, innit? 2019, just be ready. It's a whole new wave. We call it trap right now. That's what they class me as a genre, trap. Cause everyone's on this, I'm not no genre nowadays. Every artist try to say they're not no genre. So if it's trap, then it's trap. But we're on a new wave, and we're merging trap with, the new tracks I got is trap with reggae, trap with dancehall, so many different type of things. So if it's trap, they call me, then it's trap. You know what I'm saying? That's
true. But your previous songs, you were kind of I wouldn't say all over the place, but you were touching in different genres.
Just testing the water. I wanted to see where my strong point was at. So as you can see, cause I had songs like Surf, then I had Round Around. That was Round Around was the one that everyone knew me for before. That was the hot one before. So then I kind of found out which one like by doing that, I was thinking,
Yeah,
let me try
which-
find which way I want to go, and then that's where we end up with She Cried. She Cried's basically what we came up with out of trying to find out where we wanted to go.
I can see the direction where you're going, and I like it. The time that you took out from the music, what was the most valuable thing that you learned?
Patience and having good people around you, motivating you, you know what I'm saying? Cause there's a lot of stuff that people don't know about this scene and artists, what artists go through, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
There's a lot of artists suffering with loads of mental stuff and them type of things out there, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because
So
that's what's happening now in
you know
the
what I'm
media.
saying? There's a lot of people suffering with certain things, you know what I'm saying? So it's just when you have the right people around you, it's just like, it helps everything, it helps the process. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be in a cage, you want to be in a box as an artist. You want to be free and be able to do certain things, you know what I'm saying? So that's why you just have to have the right team around you. That's what I learned. It's team and patience, basically.
So you have Daddy full time now as management.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
But isn't that a restriction for you?
No, cause the way I grew up with my dad is kind of like we grew in a certain, like the way I grew is like it's not no you can't do this, like you know what I'm saying. As soon as I told him it was music I wanted to do,
He's supportive.
Like back in the day, them lot had their studio on Argyle.
Yeah.
So it was just literally when I was wanting to do music, it was just like, all right then, go and like show us what you're dealing with. You know
Because
what
that's
I'm
why
saying?
you shot one of the videos around here as well. That's why I realized when I see one of my DJ friends in there, I'm like, oh yeah, it's local. It's from the ends.
Yeah.
So for 2019, you've got this new project, you just released.
Yeah.
Before we were on air, we were talking about you. You released it. It's on what's the website called again? You said it was on
Spotify.
Is it Link Up TV?
Oh yeah. She Cried. Yeah, that's on Link Up TV.
Yeah, we can feature that one now if you like.
Yeah.
Let the viewers hear it, yeah?
Yeah.
Right IP.
People, this is a brand new single. It's called
She cry, man, I don't sleep at night. Take care, cause the lines that they eat at night. Them, they get the feet at night. She cried, man, I don't sleep at night. Take care, cause the lines that they eat at night. Them, they get the feet at night. Cause we rolled up, then we glowed up. We had to do it on our own. The olders never showed us, and they never showed love. Never showed love to us. Three said them boy, they're Judas. Don't want back up my shooters. Do I do for a day, and you go insane. I saw one ICB on a IC3, so I had to go take man's chain. Rats coming in, no I can't complain. I could put this on my life, that I do it for the money, man. I don't do this for the fame. Like me and you ain't the same, but I ain't fine though. These things that they play up on my mind, bro. That's some disclosed information. It was my pride that the man had taken. Must have got me wrong, got me mistaken. Must have got me wrong, got me mistaken. Yeah. She cry, man, I don't sleep at night. Take care, cause the lines that they eat at night. Them.
That was She Cried. Yeah, absolutely a good song. Look, it's sound a bit like trap mixing with a bit of hip hop.
and look a reggae in it as well.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so what was the idea behind this song?
She Cried was literally just basically just emotions put into a song, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
What I was thinking that day, like literally I was just like, boom, we have to make a song.
What happened? Did your girlfriend leave her or something?
No.
You couldn't sleep at night?
No.
Let's say YTSking with girl trouble.
No, it was just basically like, you know what I'm saying? I did see some things that day and it was just literally like, yo,
Yeah. And you had
we have to do something, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't that exact same day that we made the song, but it was literally, I spoke to my manager, I was like, we have to get in the studio.
Yeah.
I shouted Stevie, he's a producer.
Yeah.
My engineer right now currently, so I shouted him, I was just like, yo, we need to get in the studio. You know what I'm saying? That's my first project that I done with him as well, so it was just, it was experiment.
But it definitely showed a different side to you, and it showed maturity. If somebody was listening to some of your previous music and you hear this one, it's a total contrast. Even the video, how it came across, it was quite, I could understand what you were saying.
Yeah.
I get the story and I get the picture.
Yeah.
So I must commend you on that, your first official project and coming out. And I must also steer you into the fact that you've released it and it's on a good platform that you put it onto, and I was speaking to you previously that you need to put it on your channel as well.
Yeah.
Because this is, I tell every artist that comes here, young, how valuable it is to promote oneself. And to, even though you're investing in other areas, is good because you need that little help to bring up. But it's always good to.
And you know, it's funny that you said that, cause literally just the other day, me and my manager was speaking about it. Like, yo, we're done with these channels, bro. You know what I'm saying? We want to do it on our own channel now, our own platform.
Yeah, build
You know
one
what I'm saying?
brand.
That's what we're trying to do right now.
Yeah.
Like, seriously, I had enough of it.
Nothing is wrong with it.
There's nothing like. Alright, let me be real. If you're an upcoming artist right now, and that's what you're trying to do, that's what you're trying to get yourself out there.
Yeah.
But, bro, I've already had 3 tracks on them platforms, so now it's like I need to take control of what I'm doing with my music.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I can't rely on no one else.
Yeah, because at the end of the days, you are not the main beneficiary of your material on their channel.
That's what I'm saying.
They are the main beneficiary. They are just basically like using your material to elevate their platform.
Yeah, for real.
So if you start to build your own entity,
for real.
in a matter of time, you're trying to see how much it grow.
Yeah, for real.
Definitely, you have to start from somewhere. So what next for 2019? What can we look forward from you coming out for 2019?
I recently just released my preview for my next project called Trenches. I don't know if you've seen it on my Instagram, but I just dropped that the other day. And I basically said a certain amount of comments on my Instagram.
Yeah.
And they get to choose when it gets released, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And they reach that comment, so it's whatever they're feeling right now. I'm doing it to please my fans, the people that I look.
I like
to,
that. You know what? You have to stay true to the people that's closest to you, because your fan people who's listening to you, I used to be like, I don't really pay attention too much to the comments, but I realized that you need to connect with the people that were supporting you.
For real. But that was like me as well. I didn't really look at my comments too. Yeah. It was like there's a lot of people showing love, because the first couple of videos where I dropped, it was just a lot of hate and negative.
Yeah, but
that's why you need to pay a close attention to also the hate, because sometimes the hate make you a bit better, because sometimes somebody sees something in you that you're not seeing in yourself.
Those are the times when I was watching the comments, like literally waiting, like, you know, when you're looking at your YouTube and you're looking like, oh, da. But then I was just like, all right, cool, I'll let the video drop. I'll give it a week to settle.
Yeah.
People make their mind up about how they feel about it.
Yeah.
Then I don't like to look at it the same day. Cause people just do stuff because of the sake of how they're feeling on that day.
Yeah.
Someone's opinion could change when she cried in a week's later, cause they're feeling that same way on that day. You get me? But they might not be feeling that today. So I just leave it.
It's just music. It's just music shines a light on a particular time in your life. So someone may not be feeling it when they listen to it now, because music can grow into you as well.
Yeah, for real.
So that's definitely something to look forward for in the future. So I just say people, YS, I still can't say the name right.
YTSking.
YTS.
Okay, YTSking. You know, me get it right and correct this time. All right. So people, this is the UpNlive show. It's approximately 12 minutes past 10, and every artist that come to the studio, we normally take them into a little freestyle session.
Alright, cool.
You up for that? Or
yeah, man, let's go.
Okay, because if it's a pass, now we're gonna make the people them burn you out big and seriously.
Nah, let's go. Let me see
So,
what I can
ready
do.
up.
First thing, are you a strong freestyler? Like, can you spit bars?
Yeah, man. Let's deal with it. You know what I'm saying?
Let's see what I got. Ready up.
Yo, what we say? YTSking, upNliveshow. Alright. Yeah. Gangster turns hard for the woman he loves. Saw the way that I flex another woman in love. Another woman in love. My name join the ones up above. You join the ones up above. I fly like a dove. Float in the sky, man, float with the breeze. Bring your girl to her knees. She's asking me why. Listen, so what we tell them? Man grew up in the streets, we're all hustler. They know about me, I'm trying to get this bread. Stacking on my ways, I'm trying to get it up. Bare vibes, them up in my head. Feeling the wave, man, I'm on the meds. Take your girl straight back to bed, she feeling the wave, man. Alright, let me switch it up. Hey, yo, Jamo boy with the African vibe, yeah. Said that's the one of her dreams. J Hus, Bob Paneline. Only real thugs in my team, yeah. Only real thugs in my team. Said she wanna ride. That's her alibi. I make her feel good at night. Gal come round, you can take the good pipe. Gal come round, you can take the good pipe. Vibe them nice to buckle a red stripe. So cool, well smooth, yeah my tugs them tight. So cool, well smooth, yeah my tugs them tight. Big machine, we don't do no fist fight. No, we don't do no play. Big money popping, what you call it, payday. Her and her friends come round, do whatever we say. Do it all over, just like a replay. Cause you know that's how we set it. The way that we live in, they didn't expect it. We get it, the money, yeah, checks it, they coming. So we tell them. Alright, let me drop something else on them. Surf, wanna surf with the wave. So now you wanna surf with the ocean, but you still wanna play games. So now you wanna surf with the wave. So now you wanna surf with the ocean, but you still, yo, nothing's a man a one-time burner. Girl a wind up, she easy learner. Me make she scream out like Tina Turner. Me make she scream out like Tina Turner. Yo, no ramping thing. I'm not on no ramping thing. Girl come on my yard and girl come over me yard and go. Alright, listen. YTSking, don't know. Alright. Hey, more money, more stacks, we get it. Money, more stacks, we getting it. Look at my life, it's interesting. She say that she like it, she's trusted. Hey, money is amazing. I'm getting this mullah. The mullah we chasing. We getting this mullah, look. Listen, my niggas them set the trends in the ends. The girl them love the flex, oh yeah. Told me that I'm the one, yeah, I'm the only king, yeah, oh yeah. She said she don't like them other niggas. Said that she don't like the other ways. She said she won't come round to these sides, cause she wanna see how we play. Flex right, flex good. Look good, set right. Trending, how we do it so hype. Not bossy, never bossy. Cut it up, you know we got it. In the bag like say it's groceries. Now I'm trying to get the... Listen, alright, let me try something new. Alright, let me drop you a little piece of trenches. Yo, in the trench where you find me. Just up and landing like I'm tiny. And I got the way she can ride me. Girl, that's how I pray. Oh, yeah. Where you find me? Just up and landing like I'm tiny. And I got the way so she can ride me. Yeah. On the wave like spaceship when I'm floating. Aye. On the wave like I'm spaceship when I'm floating. When I'm so high and she knows this man's wavy like the ocean. Smoke big weed that's potent. Yo, we got big that's potent. Yo, King T live in the booth. What a grand thing. Shall I drop it old school, dirty money bars?
Let's see, anything you want to do, man, you're free up.
King T live in the booth, one thing you gotta know, man's fire with the tunes. Part of the Grammys crew. I was writing 16s when you was learning to tie up your shoes. No, I won't indirect, slyly at you. I call your name when I'm live in the booth, no use fighting the truth. Cause I'm the kid with the most hype in the youth. Hiding in your roof. Yo, bad man, that's live, not the truth. In a clash, I'll eat you up like Pac-Man. Don't listen. I can't remember half of them bars there. There's some old school bars, bro.
Man got bars.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's when they go down to the grind part, you just get grimy a while ago.
Yeah, man.
We like that. We like
some
that.
old school thing, man.
And normally, you know, we never met the freestyle run so long, but he just look comfortable, just look relaxed.
Yeah, man.
He's so laid back doing what he's doing.
Yeah.
Like, you know, my hands in the pocket, him just, just cruising.
Yeah, man.
Of course, people, YTSking, we just get it right for the first time.
Mad.
Of course, big up yourself and thank you very much for passing.
Thanks for having me, man.
On the UpNlive show. But before you go, can you tell people where you can find you and find your music online?
Instagram, Twitter, YTSK1NG. So that's YTSK1NG. We have a YouTube channel that's coming up now. Yep. It's called YTSseason.
Yes.
So, you know what I'm saying?
Say it again.
YTSseason. I know Rick was waiting for that one.
That's
right. YTSseason. So you lot check out what we got, you know what I'm saying? Go subscribe to that. We're gonna be dropping some stuff on there as well, freestyles and them type of stuff. So you know what I'm saying? Go check that out, man.
Respect. And people, make sure you support the young ass, support him, because I like the genuinity of your music and the realness. So that's why we reach out to you as an artist, and we thank you very much for spending the time to come through. All right?
Yeah,
definitely. All right, so people, make sure you keep it locked each and every Tuesday. This show is sponsored all courtesy of Shush Prints, Vast Prints. Remember, if you want to get any of your printing needs, you can contact any of them. Just DM them. That's Shush Print. That's SSHH Print Dragon.
Yeah. PRNT.
That's right.
That's it. And you don't know everything gets started from there, so.
Simple.
You don't know everything, boom, bang. But in the meantime, between time.
And also the show is produced by World Mag. And you can go into the website, www.worldmag.com or .co.uk, and you can click onto the UpNlive tab and you can see most of the videos that we do here on a Tuesday evening. All right? Stick and stay. We're going to be having another guest up shortly. But before then, Dragon, how you stay, brother?